Hi, welcome to our video on how to turn off S Mode in Windows 11. First, click the Windows button and then select Settings. On the main Settings page, click on System. This will take you to another page where you need to scroll down and click on Activation. On the Activation page, you'll find the option to turn off S Mode. Click on Open Store and you will be warned that turning off S Mode in Windows 11 is a permanent action that cannot be reversed. Accept this warning, and once you do, S Mode will be switched off. When you switch out of S Mode, you're changing the configuration of your Windows operating system. This allows you to install and run non-Microsoft Store apps, giving you greater flexibility and functionality. That's how you turn off S Mode in Windows 11. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.